So thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I am just going to share a little bit of my good luck with you guys. I never won anything, so you know this is a big deal for me. So I decided to enter a giveaway from one of my favorite natural hair influencers. She's here on YouTube. She hasn't been on YouTube as long as she's been on Instagram. She's a huge following on Instagram. I'm gonna pop her picture up here, you guys, and I've talked about her before. Jaime Natural had I think it was a 1,000 subscribers. She finally hit 1,000 subscribers. She had a giveaway. Congratulations to you on that. She had the giveaway, and I said, let me go ahead and try to enter, shoot my shot. And I entered, and I actually won. I was like, okay, go me. I mean, I'm pretty faithful when it comes to, you know, checking out her videos and, you know, her posts and everything that come up on her channel. As I am with several other YouTubers here. And so, you know, we like to support each other in that way. I'm definitely, if you're a YouTuber and you're watching me, hey, let me know, because I'll definitely subscribe back and support your channel as well. So, what did I receive for my giveaway? Big box right here. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So I have never used any products from TGIN, so this is very fitting. Thank God it's natural. I have almost the full collection here. It's not the entire collection, but let me guys show you. I love their packaging. I love packaging anyway, so I gotta share it with you guys what this looks like. And she gave me this beautiful card. You are amazing. It says, Dear Cherie, thank you so much for always supporting me. I hope you enjoy my gift to you, Jaime. So I'm like, yes, thank you so much. You're so generous. You take your time out, make these videos, and you give it away stuff. Thank you, Jaime. So, in this collection, they just kind of share, you know, how the products are made. And this is the original collection, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. Or no, this is the Miracle RepaiRX. I don't know if this is the first one. You guys let me know if this is the first collection that they've put out. I know that the Rosewater collection is the most recent one. I do finally have 2 of the products that I wanted to try from there. I'm going to be trying out on this video very soon, so make sure you're subscribed if you're not subscribed yet, and hit that notification bell so you can see when I try out those products from the Rosewater collection. They do give a coupon code where you can save 15%. So if you guys are interested, you know, I'll drop that below. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products from the collection. So I'm super excited. And so I'm just gonna start with where we would start from the beginning. I have the Miracle RepaiRX. It is a strengthening shampoo. It has black honey, coconut oil in it. It's no sulfates, no parabens, lanolin, petroleum, mineral oil, artificial colors, or animal testing. So I'm excited to try this out. It has a lot of natural ingredients in it. It smells good. It smells kind of fruity. So next I have the, let's see. So there are 2 masks in here. There's the Miracle RX Deep Penetrating Hair Mask. It's also made with black honey and coconut oil. It's a deep moisturizing conditioner that helps reduce breakage, prevents split ends, and repairs hair damage. So this is the deep hydrating. So I guess this is more for like a moisture mask. If you use this mask, you guys let me know how you like it. Do you use it for moisture? Or do you use it for protein? Because I see it does contain some protein. It also has a little bit of cone in here. So I'm thinking it's more for the moisture side of things. I do not have the strengthening conditioner in here, but I do have 2 masks. Okay, now they also have the Miracle RepaiRX CPR treatment. And it says it has curl protein reconstructor in it. So I'm guessing this one is more of a protein conditioner. And these products smell amazing, you guys. If you have used this collection, you let me know how you felt about it. But everything here smells wonderful. I see biotin in here. I do not see any cones in this one, so that's pretty awesome. I also got in this collection the RepaiRX Protective Leave-In Conditioner. It says it's an intense moisturizing leave-in conditioner that helps reduce breakage, prevent split ends, and repair hair damage. It does have some dimethicone in here down at the end. But we're gonna check it out and see how it feels on our hair. Give it a try. There is also the Miracle RepaiRX Curl Food Daily Moisturizer. The daily moisturizer you can use after you add your leave-in for styling. It can also be used as a setting cream to create smooth and shiny 2-strand twists and twist outs. So like a moisturizing styler. And finally, I have the RepaiRX Anti-Breakage Serum. And I guess this is kind of like your sealing oil or serum. It's got coconut oil, peach kernel oil, raw black honey, papaya, marula oil, rice oil, burdock root, maca oil, vitamin E, and fragrance is the very last item. You can use it as a hot oil treatment. And lock in moisture. So this is your O and your lock method. So this is great. I am so super excited and so appreciative of this. I definitely recommend you guys go check out Jaime Natural's channel. She, I think, is going to continue to have giveaways. She's tried many of the popular brands out there, and I'm sure she has a lot to share with you guys. So definitely, I'll link her channel down below. If you have not already subscribed, make sure you go over there and subscribe to her. Check her channel out. She has lots of great helpful tips, and she has some amazing, voluminous, beautiful curls and kinks and waves. Just definitely head over there. And that's all I have for you guys today. Just wanted to share with you this exciting news. And hopefully you guys are having a nice week, easing into this fall weather. And thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you like, don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, become a natural beauty, make it official. If you have not subscribed yet, you won't regret that you did. And thank you again for watching. Don't forget to live out loud, own your truth, and let your light shine. Bye.